Start with downloading the app. Scan the printed QR code to download. You will be redirected to the App Store or Play Store. Once downloaded, provide all access to the app. For Android users, provide all permissions, including activity tracking. To register, open the app and scan the QR code at the bottom of the bottle. Click on Next to proceed. Fill the required details. Using a 10 rupee coin, rotate the top cover and open the cap. Next, place the battery. Make sure the cap lights up. Align, insert, and rotate the top cover to close the cap. To configure the bottle, enable location access. Now, open and close the bottle cap. When the cap starts blinking, click on Yes. Complete the calibration process by opening and closing the cap thrice. Once done, click on Finish.